Hi guys, so today we are having a quiz portal with us. So this is a quiz login portal. So we will be having this, we will going to see this, and we have created this using AppScript and Google spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet. Here we have an IDs and passwords, and here we will enter a user 30 and password is 123 and we'll click on login. After clicking on login button, it will load a dashboard like this. Here a quiz will be loaded for you. You can enter anything. You can enter a Google form or anything else. You can enter. You will click on play now button like this. We have done this. So if you want, and if you click on log out button, if you log that out, if you want this, you can go to our website sites.google.com/feuds slash the tech hub dash home. On the home page only, you will see here a quiz login portal. You will click on buy now button. After clicking on buy now button, a page will load like this, a payment form. You have to write a valid email address in which your this Google Sheet link will be shared. Your name, for example, my name is Gaurav. A phone number, valid phone number, so that in case your ID is not valid, we can contact you and we can get. Then again, a valid email address. This is a too much verification, and use one email address only in both the email fields. Click on next. This is in QR, UPI and phone number for the Q. Yeah, you have to, and I have to add a screenshot of the payment. Let me just get it out. And within 24 hours, we will be sending you the um, link. When when we will be verifying that you have, like, we have received a payment from your site, so we will be sending the link immediately. So we will upload something from my desktop only, anything. I will okay, then it will upload. Okay, click on next. Read this. After checking out the payment done not not within 24 hours, the file will send to your email address. You will click on agree, submit. Then this verification that you are a human only. Click on verify. That's it. Your payment form has been submitted and we will be reaching out shortly within 24 hours. So this is the process how you will get reduce this, and you can have multiple things. This is a source code. Here, what you have to do is we will share this link. Click on file, make a copy, and click on extensions. Click on AppScript, and you will be getting this full codes and only. And we will also sending this code separately too. So you can have this index change or main index, this also everything change. So this is all for the today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.